Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi ti se child care eya abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so. Yen child care any family team no nimni awo famu eweni ya wo brei mu enu ntini ye to ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu
enimdie kakra ye ba besua ntimesre we ni mu eya na wa share ewo ahomatentan ne so se ne be ya dodo na benya ho mfaso se wo nkwa wo fa na ese wo ya ye pesemenkumenya bi sa no nanso wonya ya na wo se o ma menchiche ma men dofo ma menchiche ma men nuanom menchiche ma obi biara megide se saa de we se nye nempo na beboa na ochene bi dachi bi no hu beba mfaso ama no na wache ede ama no enti medamasibiom mesa damasibiom ye streaming live ewo Facebook GN Radio Facebook, yes, I'm streaming live at GN Radio YouTube neso. Yes, I'm so BW Radio so. Yes, I'm so BW TV so. Yes, I'm so BWF Solicitors for on my website so. Let's say yeah, what baby bebre I say oh shisha wahana uwa ubofa hadia ubenyaye. Enti mesabo hu de rubium BW Radio ewo ho BW TV wo ho GN Radio wo ho GN Radio UK YouTube so any Facebook yes so radio ne so you did say radio no so dodo na etie yen e wo hono enti madam ase mo baso ase na medical kanon mo nche na enkwechi emaye madam ase media ne manye na ate dodo na afra me manye team enen so adom ne nti menya hoden e de aba afidie ye de mobile bibi se edwumedim me lawyer me lawyer papa me lawyer ba kope me lawyer Patrick ene ono no ni me ba be di dwumedie ye me de bebre because lawyer Patrick de me ka o chreche nsemu a dodo na edi ho dance obi ane ni favorite de na nso no omonyina ye perfect me de lawyers egu BWF Solicitors nyina omonim die no exceptional na obebeka lawyer Patrick ono o chreche de mu a wa utumi ho say yo wonti ase kra obeti ase bibi obefa asem na fi na obechreche mu na begina wo asem no so no sebi dru sebi bi aza uti abon kra obenya enti ase enti na ye me de bebre say me ni lawyer Patrick enso eba be di say dumedie BWF Solicitors omo was seven sisters tube station so pepe oho no omo enra obi frame me na open number me can say me dey send no na em say amra me do fie no na it was really late pa intimate me gidi say ene obetie ye otie ya obenya information ni nyina nya sa ye wi a meseni na mesene nsu biem e de ama omo ufa bus akwa 149 enam ho buses bebre enam seven sisters tube station no na usi was tube station say mbia o the underground train your friend tube no enam a usi pie ye na obehu say abansuru bi ya o pie free underground ho na hwehwe exit number 2 no o pie free so na ba kuma wonifa ba kuma obenku na bebia obepie na o de otwa weni obehu abansuru bi ho na o pie sa abansuru no ya troba kwenim say Anna House okoho mo 4th floor na wakwa akohwehwe mo okoho nso a ye be juwa ju bra ye be serve tress ope hot tea obenya ope chocolate obenya ope drink bi a obenya se na be ya wakoma ebe jojo na okohu mo na I guarantee you say 50% of your problem is already solved. And so crowded was no at to job. Now umpewe na open. Enti ene me nkasa bebre na me kasa wa already emre no Dr. Martin adememre no bebre. Doctor enanse me no be kontokwa. O be sorry aya no wa sorry ntema ma me na e ma de ye ho asiesie dɔɔso nti no one sorry intermesa na me so make chiri tie for me gidi se munim be adwen yo mesa adamasi biom ye be so na ye di enchia kese be ma BWF Solicitors team ne nyindara mesa chia me nua be ma oreku frempon anope be bibiara nyankopon enka wo hom na afe me nua be ma adai so me chia wo ene control wo de tututu nyoma kwan so me chicha obi bia na afe de ye nkosom ne be ne se lawyer Patrick Bedi kan de nchia kese ma adofo na ahwefo na etiefo a na afe nso no ye bisa no ne dakwan mu ne ye de atoa so efri ho enti no ye nkoso. Good morning lawyer Patrick.
Good morning Manyeti. I hope sir ohoye anope
pacho adomonko ani ahweye me ho ye papa na pacho mo nso maso ye obi a ho tesen
nyame adom ye nyina ye ho ye ye tenkomu ya sabre o temenkan de na chese nyame aye adom enti obi a ho ye office for obi a se ochiamo ene etifu nyina ye momu nyina akwaba emomo very good morning. I hope sir anope omunyina omaho keka no eyesronko omaye krado asabre all of the platforms na ene ye stream wo no nyina omunyina ye krado a omutie ye ti ye momo akwa basronko kra
yo la Patrick medawase mesa dawase biom ye kan sen ene benim sensem bebre wo ho anope just anope bia utie news aye na bibi foforo na name bibi foforo na mom dodo na se bi mfa wo ho a na ye tu kwan na amfa wo dan echi a wo se ye kan sen contractor no oya ade na se be fa wo preacher na waka se akwa we onim kwan twakra entinsem ne se ne e be bia no one way or the other no a fire home papa until Patrick before we continue maybe say bia na otwe de ensem bebrewum na otwe ensem wom na efficacy ade bibia ye ne omudi ye ni akwantumo nsem ekoniaba ye immigration sem ye chese everything concerning the law momudi hu akotene no ye hwa ye kan bibi say update anansi san ana bibi sronko bi epie na otwe mu a ese anase wo se tiefo no ye nya aso ewo ho anampa ocho
yo manye medasibium na yasama etifo nyina akwaba yes na watchimi ensem bebre asisi na eniema bebre so na ebe koso afi be kona wieye emse ye hwanim senka bronya yi nka ebeyede but eniema ho a ebe sisi nti no esese etiefo ehye no nso na ye nyina ye da ye ho so the first thing meka say etiefo ehye no nso ene say aban eye nhihye na nhihye na oye no ohwe anim kwan say anhwa na wama ye nyina ye bedi bronya se de be ya yare foforo a yenim se abeka covid ho covid nua pani a wabasisi ano onkoye asoden na enkofa oyene bia emma nti abaye ye nhihye se anhwa obema sene ye tutu yapno mu na ye nyina ye hye ye fie mu na se adwuma na wo ya oye frifie ne saa niema no aban de saa nhihye ne beba afesuso se upia kwa bonten baby a nipa dodo wa aban aya adwen se esese wo hye max nti max na ye hye no ye mu bebre ye nyai hye aban na ye se okay me de ope amao nti se ope se wo hye na akwanya wo ho but sisi ano aban ebeyi saa ope na ode ma ye no e de free ho na afi ono aban no asa control yen se de be ya ye betimi esi yare foforo na asaba no ho ekwan se ubetu kwan so a again aban hihya wayede ato se esese oye obi a wa vaccinate na wonya wo 2 jabs ni nyina no eye adwuma na afi ukọ a screen esese wo ye ansa na wako ni nyina no ebeye adwuma se Ghana na ukọ a yenhye nso particularly mo a mobeko Christmas Ghana no monhye nso because Ghana ban ayen hyehyɛ de ato ho sisi free on the 12 aircon Ghana aban se uyo obi a uye Ghana ni na unni kuro no mu ansa na on the 12 no na u be free amanone na waba na ansa na ubedu krom ho no onye o jobs no mienu no nyina na then ansa na ubewura krom ankasa free airport no esese ye vaccinate ansa na uwura kro no nti yenhye no so se wonye double job na wo free amanone na wako Ghana ukodu airport a bear in mind say esese oye o job no ansa na yama okwan ama watimi ewura ekronum nti mo nhye no so saa susu na uye obi a u free Ghana na waba amanone a eno susu ebehia se obe vaccinate ansa na yama okwan nti we enhyehyɛ soronko a aban no ede egu akwan mu na I think say a very laudable ade a aban de aba se de be ya odi besi yare no anokwan because omo wo mu dada ne de yenim se omu wo mu na sabre ya yare we asa tietese a yehu se nkrokro bebre omo etoto omo apunu no na ebe hia se yesusu yebetimi aboye ho ban nti nhyehyɛ aban de aba wo Ghana no ade a edimu so far no minhu any other country a saa nhyehyɛ we waye se ubedu airport na uyo obi a onwo jobs no mienu no nyina na yebɛwɔ a make sure se wawo ansana watimi ekowura oman no ankasam nti yade a I think say esese yetumi support na esi yare na no kwan ebi obi baka say okay me wo me fa ho de me wo right but we should be thinking about the interest of the majority enye yesebe yenko ye pek minkuminya ho nti the interest of the masses no hia sen ankrankra bi a office or right bi a enti no esese ye protecting right no esese ye protect ye manfo ye wo saa asodie no edaye so se aban ene oman se ebetimi a protect ye manfo enti na aban aye saa nhyehyɛ no ede ato nti ese nyina ye prese ye betumi edi saa nhyehyɛ no so na etumi aboa oman no ene ye nyina efa saa yare a abaye ho eno pa ho a manye the other thing na meka ho asem case bi a eba last year na afei Supreme Court ahyemu kena this year yai concerning omo free Europe edebaha na omo ye entitled to public funds no last year case bi by efre omo fratila na the concerning nyina ne say because you free you no aban eye nhyehyɛ de gu akwan mu ema mo a na mo ba mu foforo no nyina no sa wo ba na aban de nsia kwan bi asisi wo say untimi enkoklemu benefit na keke because na uyo obi a waba ha ye free mu no wo ba be stay ha na esese oye bibi a ye frɛ no settlement scheme ni bi na ye nyina ye nim say settlement scheme no na emugo na enye nhyehyɛ bi a aban yire mu dendenden a kyese kofa webra ansana watumi ama wo ho kwan ama watumi atena mu nti na eyade a na requirements no emugo pa nti uba de esese wutumi kyira ne se wo ha wo bibia a kyese wo UK nti e bia letter udin wo so ene wa address wo so a kyese ampase wo UK kroma se wo decide no ko na wo ye wo EU settlement scheme application na aban ama obibia ye frɛ no pre-settled status oba ha enche ya ne ama pre-settled status nti na entise enkane emra dada na ye de ye adwuma and 2006 ya amended no 2016 regulations no na entisa under those two regulations no na uyo obi a we free Europe aba na ewo nhyehyɛ a esese utimi emiti se wo betena krom a ansa na yetimi agiwatum bi ne se bi a oye adwuma wo krom ha anaso se oye bi a waba uko school wo wa ankasa wo bi a wodi wo comprehensive insurance and I say we a self-employed person and obi a o hwehwe adwuma na saa nhihye ni nyinaa wo ho ansana yetumi agyewatum with appendix EU any EU settlement scheme no you didn't need to show those things na abaye etimi ama asetena ama watena kroma nti ekoba asana abaye ye nhihye edifa ye benefita ye gye no ho especially universal credit benefit no ema ebe ye nsiakwan ema womo a na womo aba foforo no because next say omiti certain requirements and sana what me claim benefit no ti fratile omo ye Romanian for na omo so abakrum fresh aba fresh nti nhihye ba ye affect omo ema omo de asem no court of appeal allow omo appeal no ema o kire mu sa ampa se saa nhihye no eye bumra so ema eye DWP for eye aban esoso esority ase da bi enya de a obema wo kwan nti aban soso de ko eye Supreme Court say Supreme Court enhwe na omu asem no ho na eye court kwase mu a sebe ese pani edware wi a na chese insuasa nti ese omuhwe na omo echechre eniema mu ena Supreme Court etna asem no so but ansana Supreme Court ebe make omo decision no na Court of Justice of the European Union court kese a eno na etie yasem wo Europe amano nyina nkabomku a yaye no ono ene tena yasem so edimayen na ansana UK Supreme Court ede omo decision ebeba no na omo nso edika aye decision bi di aba eye CJ any Northern Ireland for department concerning benefits ya enti na oma yesa decision no ede a chese so obi wa ha no aba fresh na ya man kwan ama na nje sa benefits no because nhihye bi wo ho a onya unsatisfied na enya de a etietia ne fa ahodie so especially article 18 sene na omo ehwehwe emu ede afa no nti na enya de a etia emra we ebeye ade a ebema eye Supreme Court ai wa ha no omo adwuma no ebeye emre edema omo because nsem bia European Court no eka no even though a ene kura ye free eye EU num no ya ye nhihye ede ahye yen withdrawal agreement ni mu se ebi wo ho a esombo man ya ye betumi ede aye adwuma Europe so encourage ye se yenye saa de no nti no ni nyina no ye de ye adwuma nti aban a ewo Europe amansan kese ni mu ye saa rule no pe ena UK aban so enam so ejina so edeka ene se ne EU aka no saa pepepe ena yesoso ye ka no na chese enya de a se ne omo ka se etiti omo fa ahodie no aban gitum se etiti a omo fa ahodie so nti at the moment no saa na akwakosi however enye saa keke se uyo obi na wo ha na wo pre-settled status wo EU ni na opese o gi benefit akwanya wo ho na emom esese wo kire eniema bi a allow ma wo gi sa benefits no nti esese wo kire se apart from o pre-settled status no wo the right to reside nti the right to reside no de ade manye de ye kan nyina se wo right to reside na ebi a sebe uyo obi a wabei washase a oye adwuma ya oye for the last 3 months no uyo obi a adwuma na oye no at least unya something run about 184 pounds echese oye adwuma nti ubetimi de saa eniema no akire anaso se oye self-employed person nti within the 3 months no osusu wanye sika kakra run about 182 no osusu ubetimi de akire se saa sika wanya se utimi kire saa niema we dia then you would qualify for the universal credit no nti enya de a esese ehunohuna yen bebre obi so ho a na enye ono ankasa per se but ubetimi agina o family member oye EU ni a o meet the right to reside no requirements no so na wo so ode agina so e de ayede esese wo ye nti nipa ne tikroma wo ye family member ebia wo ye yere wo ye kunu nti wo ne wo kunu wo ne wo yere enete or you be a meet sa requirement na then that is okay but apart from that omo settled status any omo indefinitely live to remain na fi old regime permanent residence for no by this time there esese mu nyina no dero na ya bono I hope say atomu ama mu nyina motumi aye mo scheme no se nya sa de a ya akachiri bear in mind say wonyeye na utu na efiri kroma na ukwa you find it very difficult getting back into the country because what it means in this is wonyeye uni bibia chese krom ha ote hanom because no ni dia dance say ampa uyobi a ote krom ha nti ye be hye nso na yakai na yehu say we ni ade a aban no edi agu akwemu. Now there's changes in nationality law as well. I know sir yenya information dodo na pese ye chirechiremu na omunya ntiase enya ade a aba edaso was stages aban no twe ho diary na say all deliberate on it nti ema abonten as yet it is only a bill aban no ye nhihye say ode insakraye bi ebeba ye nationality laws na ewo sisia no ye wo stage ye do stage 2 aban ye ho nhihye enya inco even stage 3 with House of Commons and even a free stage 3 honom no na akọ House of Laws ama omoso abobo mu up to stage 3 and na fe no ebenya the friend of the royal assent say ohima agitum say emra na ya hyehyɛ no edimu yemfa nya adwuma na nsakye ni bia eba kakra bia ye bebo so sele be ya etiefo ebehye no nso a very big eniema bebre wom sa program yi so just 1 hour ye nya adaje entimi emfa enka ne nyina but as time goes on no me sure say ye benya bre na yetimi akyerechiremu bebre e de akosi ase eniema foforo a eka ho awom but the essence ye hye ne nso nie enkane no na uyo obi a uye oba na uwo citizenship na enya ade a ubetimi a passing on e de ama oba ye wo mo a na ye from British Overseas Territories citizens na sankofo no omo ntimi passing on omo nationality emfama omo emma na ye wo papanom so bi a omo so se onware ya ono so owo citizenship ono so sa citizenship no ontimi emfama ne ba ena omo a na omo ye citizens of UK and colonies omo nyina ye sankofo a na omo citizenship no na eho techima etosini because no muntimi passing on aban ayen hihye especially with omo na omo enware ye nemum na omo ye citizenship na omo ba omo ntimi passing on no yenim se 2006 no emra no exercise emafe no na yetumi yesa but with the BOTC any CUKC for no na enhihye bi wo ho aban aye san hihye no omo na omo ware ya no muntimi passing on na ya bokwan ato baby a aban no ma ho kwan ma under section 4C no na omutimi eye application edema omo ma register as British citizens sa so na ye wo encrophobia under 59A ye British Nationality Act no eche obi a sebe yawo no okrom ha ne parents and ne papa nipa oye papa na yenim se na waware obi foforo na uni obi a oye British ni awo na sa akola no esese oye British citizen no na emra no emma ho kwan sa because emra ne say nipa oye akola no papa no eye nipa na waware no sa bre a ye wo akola no unless otherwise no ubetimi akire bibi foforo enti se na papa oni na wo no oye British citizen a untimi pass on sa citizenship no emfa ma sa akwala no because the law no say nipa na waware na ansa na wo no ono eneye akwala no papa sabre no yenim se aban etwe ho dare nsem court ma aban ebobo ho ama ye kan se etietia eye enkwala kra efa ahodie so ema aban ebeye nsakraye kakra ebo kwan bi to se omo no susu no yebetimi a register wo na emom aban ansesa emra na ewo ho no aban enye nadwen so se obesesa no bepem ne ya ka say even new bill na aba no aban nye nadwen se osesa saa emra no enti de etiere se aban aye nhihye de ato homom se be ya saa nkwala no nyina no yebetumi a register omo na omatimi aye British citizens. However, cost na eye involve no still ensacheye bia ni ho a aba nti yen hye no nso. Now when rush for yenim se yenuanom a omo free amano ne Caribbeans na omo baaye no saa time omo beboa aban ema bebre na omo wo indefinite ene adeade na saa indefinite no ebi no wo ho a omo tu kwan ekoye na omo ni bibia omo di adanse se ampase omo wo saa citizenship no ema ebi bebre na ekoka amanone ema se na nsem ho no ebehu se ehun koba asem ma aban eye nhihye ma emudodo na no ye ma omo akwanya ema omo nsaka omo indefinite ma ye bie kwan so de to ho ma omo timi eye omo citizenship na empu yanji omo esika nti omo ye saa nema ne nyina na bebi so ho a na ese oba meet the residency requirement no ansa na watimi aye nhihye going forward no omo ka akire na omo entimi mba eni nyina no omo ebetimi aye application no ba as returning residents no ba hanom no ma benya ekwanya edi awram so omo wram a nhihye wo ho a omo susu no ombetimi aye womo citizenship no now instead say ombe meet the residency requirement no abai aye nhihye say obeyi saa 5 years residency requirement no edi afri ho edi ama womo se de be ya ebetimi abie kwan ama womo na omatimi aye omo application abeye ekrom hafo. Now the last one no enkwala na nka yebeka se ya wono a oye stateless ewo krom ha. Now this one no normally no concerns yenuanom India for. Now India for ye nkrophobia se ya wo amanone a onye India ni unto say obeko Indian High Commissioner wo kro ya wo so no na wakwakoye registration and san wabeye India ni enti no ebebie kwan bi de to homa sebe yenuanom India for ma omuhu saa enti no na wo akwala wo krom ha instead say obeko ne High Commission na wakọ try so obe register akwala no onye saa very man so say edi afepa ho na onkoye saa ade no wo High Commission wa say wokọ India ban no e discretionary say either so obeye saa registration na so onye nti ebi twen ama saa afina betwam ansa na wakọ nti obekọ na che say onye saa de no na afi no akola na abeye stateless because o maame ni o papa enye kromafo so mo nye kromafo na mo ye India fo na India mra no susu esi hu kwan se unye obi a o yawo wa manoni a unye India ni dia na che say akola na yawo no sebe oni state bia because number 1 o maame ni o papa enye kromafo nti ono susu no onye krom hani na che say oni bibia na no ena aban ehu se kamia yese loophole bi aba beda ho a nkofo ede ho ayi kwan especially yenuanom no omo de ho ayi kwan ena even though by 2015 na nipa ba yese 10 ena ayesa application no afa de ehuri akoba yese 1000 nti aban ye concerned about that enye omo nko na be affect omo because enye omo nko na omo benefit from saade no nkofo bi ti se LGBT4 eso etimi benefit from saade no Rohingya for a benefit any nkofo bebre etimi benefit nti eye nhihya na nka eye nhihya eye nhihya papa a aban wo nsusie papa na embom no baby a ekeka kono aban ehu se ekwan bi abeda ho ama ebinom efa ho de ye niema foforo nti aban pese oyiri mu dendenden kakra na the aban plan se obeyenie aban hihye ne se going forward no se yeji mra we tuma na oya akola oye stateless a ɛsɛ wotimi ɛkyerɛ sɛ one make attempt sɛ obe register with ekura ufiri so no nti sɛ sɛbi India na ufiri a one make attempt sɛ obe register na yayɛ India ni ansana oba yetumi agye watum ɛsɛ sɛ make provision o the documents any bibi akyerɛ o the evidence ɛkyerɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ wayɛ saa watu saa anamo no watu anamo a opɛ sɛ oyɛ alternative citizen rather than British citizen watu saa anamo no nyinaa ma anko wie peyo ansana aban etumi agye wasem na tum ya wo similar adeɛ ɛwɔ ye immigration rules no mu under paragraph 403 ɛno no so ɛma ho kwan ma nkola sɛbi ɔmo yɛ stateless no mutumi apply for leave to remain under those requirements no nti aban abɛhyɛ nationality no mu ɛkena to bring it in line with the ɛwɔ yɛn immigration rules no mu dada na isusuye ne sɛ ɛbɛma saa citizenship no ne gye no emu ayɛ den because already no kra no ɛnyɛ easy sɛ obe make application no the cost of it no kra no so ɛwɔ soro nti no ɛnyɛ easy sɛ obe make saa application no na afei no na aban ɛsa aba be hyɛ mu kena no na kyerɛ sɛ I think sɛ going forward no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ yɛsa promotion na yɛbɔ yɛabɔ yie paa manyɛ
Lawyer Patrick Medawase, we the one my different lecture cra me jidi say ebua pa beboa yen so yie na me nhyeda embisa ho nsɛmpi o kano nanka me try say maybe mo bisa but say I just let you flow senior beya ye be shift kakra every ho but me jidi say we'll take it senior o can win rush for any dodo na ya mom ho kwan kra so mbetumi aba na ye twa mo 5 years continuous residence na ye dia mom ye beba ho because minim crofo bebre for live victims e was saa de ne ho na Lawyer Patrick yankɔ yenim emsemre no kɔ yankɔ yenim kakra na ne wo mo ne sɛ ene no nanka me pese yedi nkomo kakra bi efa yeah, applications aya na ye ekofikese me kefikese me I'm talking about home office dodo na ATM no ye de ye application na obehu na application no omo betro embi omo si omo nsa kan first 2 weeks na omo si omo nsa kan na obeti omo nka obehu bosume mienu bosume miensa bosume nsia na wo afi obekura de 2 years na trese onya ne hihye no onya moaye trese uye sei betna ha ana wontna ha ana ye de amount ana say ye mfa ma nti we no ama enkrofo bebre ato mo adwendwen obehwe last week dodo na efre ye ne messages amenya ye say na my application akoche application na me ye no mo si say akoche Lawyer Patrick me nsem tintinti American ni nyina ne say efficacy mo odi wa application enam sorry nioma abesinko me mbobo so meja ama enti no saa delay hardwen ayem bia obetumi aka che efficacy mo say efficacy me sremo mompia ma de neti kon tem na me nsanka enimanimu heya because me hia de no ana say ye be sha say free ha ede nioma kra ntina sisi a efficacy mu nioma no delay sama ya yem hihye tototo ebi no no Lawyer Patrick we de me to ma
okay yo manye mesa das bi yes efficacy mu for sisi a sebe omo ho akire omo kakra there's a problem and omo entimin kan ensi supi say problem or but there's a problem it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see say there's a problem yenyina enim say covid by so no affect obia businesses bebre even individuals oma sebe oma hwere won ma dofo nyina effect na bia nti sa so na home office covid any ne impact enya wo yenyina ye so globally no almost so affect wo bi nti say enka first your application na o expect say bia within maybe 3 weeks 8 weeks on sabeka o decision no so see your application na e masa biem Bear in mind, sir, home office for standard time application bia obeye bia no omo standard time omo ankasa omo nhihye mu no omo de ato say nka ombe decide sa application no e de amount. But with COVID ama eniema asesa ama home office for sa standard na esese omo meet no omo ntimi meet sa standard ne biem nti aba ba ye den e de ama omo nti application ebi esese edi 3 weeks na onsaka decision no ebi wo ha na edi over 1 year kra na onsanka decision yenim say oya application from Ghana na oba as obi oba as a spouse no nanka hwebe ubedi 12 weeks there nanka onsaka obi bia na nyame aye wadom na ode aba enti na saa na yenyina no expectation it but COVID amana sesa to extend say see oya application na akwako delay because of that. But enye no sonko enema applications no a delay. There are other things ema your application na ekono etumi a delay. Ebi ni say bia application no kra waye no enye the right application and sana obi be picking up. Na we say sa application ya waye wrong na wasa throw back edi akoniaba up and down no na ama application no a dragging on kakra eno so pa ho a ebi ana application na waye no ehho akade a esese wo de ka ho evidence documents esese wo de ka ho na wo de kono wo ye application no wan fa nka ho anfa nko intino bibia ni ho a home office ejina so e de access wo application no apart from the watchron no application form no so that could be disadvantageous to you because the wo kan try wo application no keke no de saa na wo kan no emma wo ho kwan emma sabe ebi wo ho a wo nkyerɛkyerɛ wo nsɛm nyinaa mu bebree nti no wo documents ne evidence na wo de ka ho no eno na esisi dua akyerɛ sɛ me nipa asimasi application ya maye me nyina so a me de aye saa application no enie nti sɛ no nkoka ho na wo twɛn sɛ decision emra na emaya na ebia eye no ntia ebia na home office atro sɛ die ntia yentumi nya decision ni wo documents ye hia sɛ enka wo de beka ho no onfa mai because bear in mind wo ya application a generate the friend checklist of documents home office for hia sɛ esese wo de koma wo mo nti wo mfa nkoye omususu hia na wo de access so nti na ababa ye stand still ye tro wo susu a ye nya meka sɛ ebia wa na wo ye application e de wo email ye nti email no akọ baako mienu miensa ama home office kra wa pa aba ebi okra na akọ wo junk mail wo enhu ama a delete because after 30 days no bibia wo spam mo bia no na a delete afro nti ebia na wo enhu na afei no application na ko delay na wo susu a wo ntehwe again ebiso wo ho a na wo ya application no onye o fingerprint esese okoye biometrics no onkoye na onkoye ya home office for enim se eyewo esimasi na waya application enti no eno susu no omuntimi ento so and decide wo case no ni nyina mu no omo betro na ma aka kire se yesay se when disu na wa anya ebetimi ama wo application no adrage on eno ntina esese ye hye no nso se wo ye wo application na enye se ne saa kekese waye na emom no esese ehho akade a eka ho a esese wo de kɔ no esese wo de ni nyina akɔ se waye na afei a delay dia then you have to know say again a COVID insunsanso a ede abreye no enu bi na affect your application no but home office was sudie nti ubetimi am make complaint na wa kire omo say almost standard time omo ankasa ahye senka esese omo de decide your application no watwen animu aba bepa ho omo nye decision nti wo pese uhu eho enchichemu nti a omo nye decision no now in recent times no say yes our complaints na home office is coming out to say more year applications follow under human rights any family life ni nyina no ɛsɛ sɛ take time na ɔmo scrutinize sa application no meaning sɛ ɛyɛ biribi a home office or they edit no because ɛnura bi a na ɛyɛ application ɔmo nka saa nkyerɛ yɛn nti meaning sɛ ɛyɛ biribi a ɔmo de edit ɔmo kakra but this is what they are saying sɛ woyɛ saa application a because of the element of family life any human rights are a woman into no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo to ɔmo bo ase na ɔmo yɛ mpensempensemu ehwehwɛ mu yie na ɔmo hu sɛ ampa sɛ deɛ wo claim no woyɛ entitled to ansana ɔmo decide wo application no nti with that in mind no ɔmo say ɔmo standard time a ɔmo de make it decision on those applications no sabre no ɔmo yɛ free any hobby which means that ɔmo ni standard time nti wo yɛ application na then ebetimi take as long as home office for ɔmo yɛ happy sɛ ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo hwehwɛ mu awie a ɔmo make it decision na ɛtwɛn however home office say wo application na check ra na deɛ yɛyɛ kan sɛ the fact sɛ woyɛ wo application no in time ansana wasitena wu no ewu no your friend is saying extant leave under section 3C sa extant leave no ebo o rights a owo ni nyina ho ban enti uti krom ha oji benefit ubetimi age wade uti krom ha oye adwuma ubetimi aye wadwuma uti krom ha o han dan ubetimi akoso na wa han wo dan eniema a oye dada ni nyina ansana o submit application no ubetimi akoso aye ni nyina bibia ni ho a esi wo ho kwan ubetimi aye ni nyina even though omo undecided application no nti na chese uhwemu a de omo kan se ye undecided application no but sabe bibia ni wo chese o ye disadvantage no the only thing bia obeka se enu nti no esi wo kwan kakra bia untimi entu kwan so that is understandable and it is one of the reasons delays na cost no yehu say affecting nkofo nti obi wa na affecting adwuma obi wa na affecting akwantu obi wa na medical emergency ana say niema bi a etisa na affecting no ana so say bia eyie mpo na aba esese okọ na ni nyina no ontimi enko na afi no atwe asan because of that delays nti but home office abokwa pajo uka bi na manye
nti aba ne saa no me say nipa sitena modiem nyoma bebre wa menshi manshi embia na upese utu kwa embia na medical embia say ninti na wo beka say home office for omo ya a delay nti eba ne saa wo individual no before we move to the next the question no then na obeye no aka trom say omo nka omo ho na wo hia ade no e wo say bibi potin ejina ho a broni beka compelling issue ana say bibi a je say omo amfa ade no decision na mba ntema ebe ha adwen ansana ana bibi potin wo ho a obetumi ejina so na wo de pia ometi ko say wo sro omo se na etie bi omo nya ne ntema o bacho.
Okay, manya, yes, bibi wo ho. Bibi na wo ho no edoso. Na tene me di kan no, obetimi a make complaint e dey akọ home office. Obetimi a throw mo letter e dey achiche mu say application na waye na nka wo hwe anim say bia within 4 weeks and I said 3 weeks no, obenya decision e maaye na omatimi a kire odi nti a e maaye. Say yire so pass so a obetimi aye dey normally ye bo ho de bia say your friend or a notice before action no until ye pre-action protocol at their court home office at their trauma say ade a omo ye anase niema omo ye no emfamra kwan so until wo bo omo kokko se omo anye de esese omo ya ode omo be court na wakwa ye judicial review until sa kokobo no na ode ma omo na home office so atena se ahwehwem na wahu na wama wo hu emuaye now to go do judicial review no sebe enye bibi a eda form sa a very expensive venture nti se wo koye bibi sa se wo hye no nso na emom no ade a se wo de command home office na wo tro mo sa notice na at least ekenya wo mo ma omo sore na afi no omo hye ase etumi eye bibi efa wasam no ho said me boss beka na da bia no wa obetie mu kese no ene ebete wo ne nti se wan tie mu kese a home office omo nti se wo ho nti se application na cha esese wo tie mu na omo te se wo ho na afi no omo hye ase se omo consider eniema bi e the amount ebi so wo ho a na enye enonko a home office e wa kwanya wo ho a o ye application a ubetimi aye priority service application nti sa kwanya no wo ho especially more applications no wa no enye applications ni nyina na ma ho kwan ma oye priority service application no but ebi wo ho a ma ho kwan ti emfa ne se obi awo ne ba ya British citizen or pese okoye application for 2.5 years ontimi ntwen because e bia owo emergency bia esese enu nti no ogina so no okọ amanone nti ontimi ntwen sa nipai obetimi aye priority service application e de akọ home office na ekọ a home office for a deciding application the next day. However, bear in mind say there's a cost implication. £800 on top of normal fee now ubetua no e de akasa fee no. There's a cost implication there. Sa so na omo ye application from amanone diaba visitors visa for any student visas any sa nneema ni nyina no ewo priority service a ubetimi aya omo bema decision nti yewo amanone for no yewo priority any yewo super priority no decision making time no turn around no 5 working days and super priority no the next working day. Now from experience kakra no ye who say the free amanone eba no enye ni nyina na oye priority no any super priority na again omudi sa omo decision making time na omo hye no so enye ni nyina now there's reason why enye ni nyina reason ni say applications ni bi ho a oye na ekọ a omo ehu ni say eye application a eye complicated nti na ese omo to omo boase na omo hwehwem nti sa application no oye na oye priority service and as super priority service kra na yes even though I want you aka for the service no unfortunately no you may not get sa decision no within the time frame na ebia ode wadwune bu no. However, you could get a decision faster than obia why a standard application. That is what you need to bear in mind. Whereas ebia ya COVID abeka wunti no obi application it take 6 months any de keke ka ho no wo de no say why super priority and as a priority service application you could give yourself another 2 weeks another bibisa and then you could get a decision. Say a complicated application say you complicated there then hopefully no on be make a decision within the time frame no na onsa etumi aka ovisa na waba nti saa akwanya we nyina ewo ho to fast track wa application na oye no home office abosa akwana to esese wutuaka there's cost involved whether say oye free amanone anansa oye no okrom ha no there's cost implication. EU for there more separate regime EU mrano ebo mu nyina so mo ho ban mo ye application there's a requirement say esese decision time no etumi e contem na ye mamu decision na within the standard period of 6 months. Intini nyina wo aban hihye mu. Aban oye nhihye na odane niema ni a eniema ni bi wo ho a na wabɔ no ho kakra bi na wayi kakra film na ode kakra hyem na ode bi akotete e de ama case workers no nko a. Nti a ordinary person na wo ye application no eniema ni bi wo ho a na unnim soso se ekon we na aban esese ode application no faso but na case workers for no na ye de ama almost half of the time no emra no nya ade a omo kokan ye de ya trauma omo guidance no eno omo de eye adwuma ti na se odi bibi ewo mra no mu na wan fa nkɔhye guidance no mu anfa ma omo se omo fa nya adwuma enya ade a omo bekan a omo de beye adwuma sa. Now the other thing no say manye ubetimi aka kire home office say omo expedite application no for other reasons ebi ni de ye boboss no enti wo exceptional compassionate circumstance bi enti wo pese home office expedite application no. Number 1, home office ayen hihye e de ama ministers a wo krom ha ene MPs a wo krom ha nyina se omo constituent eba omo nchen with bibisa wo betimi approach home office minister na omo no edi nkomo afa saa constituent no anase nipa na ote omo importem no na ma hwe se ekwan ben so na omo betimi afa omo beboa no nti wo obi a application ache na wo exceptional circumstance bi anase bi potin bi wo abrabo mu a delay no ebe affect wa wo betimi approach wo MP na wo MP no any home office for akasa na afi no home office etimi agina so make decision at the amount. Now exceptional circumstance any niema esese utimi eka no enu bi na yaboboso nti ebia unipa application akwa akoche esese utukwan ekwa amanone for ebia medical emergency anase ukoje wo ho ayaresa ewo amanone but application no and go through nti no wuni akade a odi betukwan ede akọ ebisusu a na ayie aba wo fie nti esese utumi etukwan na ukọ saa ayie ni bi ebia sebe o maame ana o papa ato nti esese utumi etukwan na ukọ na afi home office application a waye no decision na emaye na wo twen se decision beba ni nyina no etimi ema ekoso yen ma atete timi ba frustration ni stress ebeja ye nyina nti ekwan ja ho se uyo obi a wo saa te bia ni mu a ubetimi aye nhihye na ni home office akasa and I will go through o MP area now we taking on the case now on the home office akasa on your behalf now home office I expedite o application now so okoka say wo exceptional circumstance into ye make decision immediately on your application na manye enye ya no keke ana ye deka esese wo de evidence eka ho nti say yare na wo se o yare nti wo koje yare hwa then esese wo provided the echese ampa se wo yare na wo koje ayare hwe tie bia ya mawo a medical reporter echese ayare hwe esese wo tukwan efiri ha eko Portugal esese wo tukwan efiri ha eko Ghana na wo koje wo ho ayare hwe ansa na watimi aba back ebi also a na yare aye kan kura no ekrom ha no ye ni eho akade wa ha nti esese wo kwa ama no ne but uni eho akade a wo de ko ni nyina no ubetimi aka ama home office I expedite wo application no sebe o maame aka baabi o papa aka baabi nti esese wo kwa yie esese wo kire se ampa nipa ya wa frumi eye o maame nipa ya wa frumi oye o papa nti ye behia wo death nipa na wa wu ne death certificate a edi adanse se ampa se wa frim eno pa ho a ye behia bibia o de be demonstrate relationship between you and the deceased no nti no ebia o birth certificate a eye full birth certificate wudin eni nipa wakamu no ne din ewo so a o de be kire bear in mind posters a ye de bobo abonte obituary any brochures a ye no I'm afraid enye enough to evidence the fact say uyo bia uye bereaved and no say utukwan na ukwa amanone o de kwa home office omumfiu again bear in mind say nya upapa ana o maame na sebe wakamu a na eye wo uncle ana say wo auntie ana say extended family member bia mesrew men koka nche wo MP sebe me papa ewu because ekroma no ye ka say obi ye papa yenim definition of papa enye wo uncle ene ye wo papa enye wo auntie ene ye wo maame nti hweniye so ukoka se o papa ewu na afi yesifa birth certificate ene death certificate a edi adanse ebra na wunnya bia misrew enya de a esesa wo hye wotum se home office ebeje wasem na tum na omaye application intentem e the amount no they will not do that nti esesa wo hye no nso na hu se nipa na wawu no sebe ampase eyewo papa ubetimi de death certificate number mehu obi a ose ne papa awu na home office onfa eye death certificate mra na afi de death certificate no emra emma birth certificate so emma na afi no ye hwehwemu a na no there be me uncle bi a me papa wuye no ono na otete me ohwe me a yes it's good but
honestly won biological father, but in every way, no, or your father. Best to be a papa with a woman, do na you come with the hobby pro, fan up like it one washing and I mean, maybe I may be proud of her. Then my younger son got all woman. No, my baby Nashana, no, dear bad beauty. Nancy, and my younger son got a two in Sanya and man, two ain't the uncle. But ne maame na ohwe no ono no nim ne say ne maame obi saa no obeda akudu certificate maame we na me nim ne say ne maame nti no na waka baby a me koni
well unfortunately manye enya dia obetimi approve because onye o maame a onye o maame onye o papa a onye o papa the import ne say you have to come out clean nti sabi nipa no ye o uncle or your uncle. You can say that. So, or your uncle, and also or your auntie, or tete, una, or no, unimna from Uncola Brema, say, way, and no mammy, even though, sabe, biologically, no, and yet, or no, na war, name mono, or ye, uofa, or no, na attitude fiti, Uncola Brema, copimzo nia, or the barbers. So, you can make, sir, your friend is saying, appeal no to the home office say net here neighbor say ukoka say eya wo papa na ye se fa eho aka de bra na wa anya na kame akoye say e bia utwa home office ntro ebi so na nye intention ni say obetwa wo montro de wo de unim no na wo ka yes ofa no preko pese eya wo papa ofa no preko pese eya wo auntie and that is understandable in your culture no it is okay but ahadie so, okay, say, your papa, the expectation, no, different. And interpretation, yeah, they attaching no so different. And to say your uncle, just say your uncle, and then now what you say home office, able to me, edging so at their abuawa. And yes, they will not do it for you, man. Yeah.
Tete for ye bebu so adamase ye damase se moko so hwe na mom na sharing me hu dodo kra mpa mocho mon shema ye na ye hu se ye di dwuma afen so se monim se nyame adom BWF Solicitors o mo se Christmas o mbema chede bie na chede no one particular one be a wompa ye the best sharer intina me bomonka ye say o share program no do na at the end of the day no ye can say Facebook etumi my analysis na nyina the number of times I will share ye the number of times I will share ye ne ade nti ye behu na chede bi wo ho a on sabeka bi nti mesre mo monko so anhye na dodo na enya ehu ya yetire akwan na omonhwe program no na enko afienso me be telephone lines no atum even though we are still on our conversation no and our topic no me be telephone lines na atum 0203735820 and I said two mobile numbers no so no obetumi use de bia senia na use so no 075 96620 no obetumi nso eyusu no any two other numbers adebia ye use no mesamo mehwehwe to de bia na numbers no above afamiti mumfa ncheme but I know say munim those of you have sent the program numbers na nyina ewo so a mobetumi afrefre na madwumedie no ayefefefe na yakoyinim yes me hunti second number na ye mobile number no say embia ofre from outside UK now you can still call them as WhatsApp ebeba enti 077879 39958 no eno nso wo ho na the other landline Skype no nso 0203286085 eno nso so wo ho enti se wo pese wo send message ana voice note nso a obetumi asend aba WhatsApp numbers ni mienu nyina so ebebo ne fefefe na lawyer Patrick eyiwa no yeguso a ye ka se die enti na ya na ye applications na ya de no akwache wo home office na ekwache eba ne saa na ede important na wo betumi aye afa ho na home office for ama wo decision tem to no we become how to expedite your application senior obenya decision ntem ya bobo so a ya bobo nyoma kakra so ama ye koso a ye koye nim enti mebia telephone lines no nso e de atum mesamo betumi afre abribia na ye webisa wo question na lawyer Patrick eyiwa no lawyer Patrick me first one me question na missing me bisa no enti no why yes ade we nyina wie no na wenyinya wo evidence say wenya nienti a o pese omoma umwaye ntem no pese omo fast track your decision no no my evidence a wagade kromo ade bibia ye evidence wagada ne nyina no kwan ben na obefa so or say wo san ye different application na all the evidence ne ka ho de ko ana say or reference say kwan ben so na e was say o fa na prove this evidence to them and son is it just by telephone call, is it by email or the pre-action protocol no man na wacheche mu earlier on nyina mpa cho kwan ben so ne yemfa enum so
right so manye say ukohu o MP ena ode wasem no ekodan no na MP approach e home officer home office betro MP no na oma request eniema na omuhia no MP no so betro likelihood ebe email and also say obetro letter through the post na what bisa na odisa documents no akoma omo odikoma omo omo so the bema home office and then based on that no home office ebe making a decision ebia na osuso ye wankasa na waye wade wa approach home office say o was exceptional compassionate circumstance no enti no omo expedite your application and farm yes omo betro will back personally na omo a request for evidence a ekire se tibia wo mu ni na odisa eniema no akoma omo back likelihood ebe email again senya sa so na wo lawyer na wo lawyer no na ya application na ma yes home office for ebe send email no de aba say ebia wo client wakọ kan kire ne MP anasa o de akodan ne MP say owotibia mi mu nti obepese ye be expedite ne application na ependo no e de ama no now because of that into eniema ye behia ni for we bra e kire say ampase o client no or was exceptional compassionate circumstance no na yentumi enyina so emfanye ye decision to lawyer need the call yes bi o ho indi 2 days kra ye hu a case ye dia call the next day home office for make a decision na decision e ba na e ade a enigi aba in fact this client no na initially no na nko pese oye super priority service application but based on the circumstances on the discussion we advise no who akonya say ubetimi expedite this application nti ubetimi save o £800 now they call yesa no name ye use o circumstance no na ye de ama home office expedite application na I go through and I think say Osha, not to say, and yet Sabi Sikano Giene Keke, but we are saving some clients Sika as well. And you know, the client and take his decision on the behalf because of desperation, you know, and he said the NTI said or call and the money you know, now or person or boka extra £800 now or the year application now unya next day decision. But because of ye nim de kakra ntino ye de aboa no ama decision na bantem plus was saving £800 a coin na otu no obetimi ede ahwe bibi wofi anase obetimi ede aboa ebusua. So that is how you provide the evidence to support your claim to your friend is a exceptional compassionate circumstance no manye. Pacho, me tone cantino, yes, it be from our side, yeah.
Lawyer Patrick can say all these things ne be ana delays no. Mbia na enye home office fault o mbia na ya send no on say de bia na ya generate emails obi wo ho a email no nim na de ban po na tam o ya application no say wan fa ma lawyer no yes email no Enti why yes our email no. What try to baby o se won try to baby na home office mfo so ma reply about sa email no. Wa on check emails no. Embia enye say ni da ho but a refre e wo ho. On check email obi minimum obi 2 weeks now say oh me emails from me check and the other my then so him say it's not accessible you be my information first so on sabe can and the other massa then enti bomodia dodo na see there everything is online, everything is computerized, everything is digital. Well, email you telephone number dear akwaya ashenso dear we dear Mr. Mefuto kakra me hu a me so me nya problems and pay bi kra na mete hu me ye adwuma nyina me ye adwuma problems who send information almost say mensanka all in the name of they don't read their emails. Yes, Remo, you futu kakra. So what my email be for any purpose now, bomodia intermittently no, bomodina check your emails. A day or two, bomodina check it. Who check it for junk mail no monso. Na ko check it. Inti we there, Miss Remo, if you took a cry, when the betu ja. Lawyer Patrick, obe say, Zambrano, Moyeno, and now update be ewo ho, and sana maybe some next question, Patrick.
All right, yes, Manya. Zambrano, a case. Unfortunately, Egusua, ye train decision about enyam by as yet. Inti, minim say, a tifo ne, yashefo bebre na, ye nyina ye ponko pentem because decision ne bana a positive effect be very positive ebenya nsunsanso papa ewo nipa bebre so ama 2.5 thought na ye bubu no eso atwa nti no ye nyina ye hwe animu kwan se akinsanya ye be wo no na waba na yetimi aye ne outdooring kama nti no ye bompa but as we speak there still pende into no ya bompa say nyame ya adoma ebeba yeah
ye nyina ye dem pa boy techi yo menia ma Jose good morning Magneti, please ask lawyer for me the requirements or type of visa that can be used to join the army UK army no or per se or join no visa DNA requirement mpacho mo nimdie kakra wo ha obetumi abo bi tofa de amaye mpacho.
Well, I mean recruitment, so opposite or join there, you make the application directly to the army service now at Wahano. Into Omona or make your application to Omo online. Application AF na Omashe application now Omashe say Ombetimi ama wabe join no Oma. Oya application free amanone ena ode aba. Enti omuna hwehwe wasetena mu enti obeya o medicals ne obi bia de akere se oyo bia oye fit a oba ye kase to America obetumi atu America ye kase ko ako a oyo bia obetumi akọ Iraq obetumi akọ Afghanistan anase bibisa enti ni nyina ye hwe enye omu nyina na oba ye de wokọ war front anase ye be kase ebia commission ana bibisa ebi no ho a omo ba omo be join army na omo okrum ha ya na omo soso omo ye omo adwuma ntino yes ya de a obetimi aye I think say omo be putu stop kakra but I've heard say at the moment omo say bie kwan na to her omo take on applications yes nkofo betimi make application no na omo timi e de aba yeah.
Yeah, that's internal san is online. Internal say a banner so will chrome had that no so on my website no application it through there. And now you
well chrome had that normally in the crown or more recruitment centers obeko into uko you be access so ayo bibia or more application ni bibia or ho obetimi aye na access so near make sure say and passer oye fitter obetimi join amino and sana Omotimi Amawaye. Yes, there are recruitment centers all over the place. Obetimi Akwako, yes, at the end of it. Normal says one sana, why application de ako, yeah.
Medasi. And the numbers again to call 0203-735-8820 or 0203-2860185. We also have 077-879 39958 or 075-966-20-154 to call. Please give us a call. You have questions, you have something pending that you really want to or need to ask Lawyer Patrick. He's here right now with me. He's here to answer all your questions. BWF Solicitors, this is Legal Hour. My name again is Manyeti Mpacho. Munkosuna Mumbisa Lawyer. Obedi asem my name. Asem nene nyan kakra so no media. Obi be se o tie kira obeka say story but ni ono ankasa ne story ena or ka kira Mrs. a onye den. Any saying yamre ni swade but I think say maybe say na wan hwa na bibi foforo esi ochna because why desperate. Any saying oni abrante bi eware ye oni abrante bi ware ye aware we no mo no wan shada nka nkrata sem ana say bibi eno ase oma ware no ma wo mienu na omo okrom ha eno mo ware krom ha ma wo mienu na ne kunu si otu kwan akwa aba no wanti papain can be for so long we frɛ ebusuafo to say why ne obeye nyina onti papain ka so te asio se wato baabi o se wahuo onim menu abei atoba ha waya nti no eja watwe almost 2 years ni ono nso nkwala na egu ne so no aya say obre enti ewomu a obenya abrante bi like oh ene so tonsio bre me otena ye we ma me otena chi say ene say eja kro na onti ni kunu nkenti no omode awo miensa eye freshman ni ba enti ne ba ne sade a ene oso ye divorce na o process divorce no ono ase wa process in fact one can the exact year na me bisa no bem say one can the exact year sa e ba ye nti a wa divorce why ye divorce no divorce I go through emsa ka last bit kra ye de ni absolute no ebe bre no na ne woman say after 2 or 3 years papa yi aba no say onya asem nti ye de ne call prison nti all this were no prison and now pese busuafo beti enti kro no course no ena wa akọ wo ho ena ono papa ne no mu to nsem a oka papa ya ba oba e maame nso di obema foforo eti papa si onja ne yire enti no open ne yire back ne mba one na awo efoforo nso oti we ya de akoye ne de enti ono so say ono nso ene neti enya de obeja ne ne eja ne china Lawyer Patrick asem we ye kan court say okay. Funny, but a real story. I mean, you didn't come.
It's a very, very interesting, story, case. Yes. Well, yeah, mommy, was divorce proceedings, na se dada. Aba be do baby ye who say, ye papa na oni ho. Entino, and sana krana obedu stage a wedu no. Na the court no aman ho kwan say on serve ni kunu no with notice of divorce no na ekunu enhu say ye divorce no enti no esese ye maami say ekunu yi ni ho a ofa akwanduasa nyina so make sure say obe serve no na wahu say ampa say ojai no say ofa sa akwanduasa ni nyina so na wanhu ni kunu na obetimi akọ back to the court na wama court no atre court say court maye ne esese me ye nyina mahwehwe nkofo amoma koye search mia matum na asim baabi a menim se watena pen namfofo ne abusua ma ye de me ye nyina ekunu minhu no nti sabre a maye niema we nyina maye ni nyina manasi maye mafam de nti court no should dispense with service. Na court no agiatum. Nti se court no ditum say okay, why the sese wunye nyina na wunhu kunu na opese uja aware ne a. Ene sa notice na ye de ama na esenka or respond ni adan. Ya ma what dispense with sa service no. We carry on with the divorce. Ma me na go through, I suppose, sa processes ni nyina. Aba abedu baby a wadu. Ya ma no decree nasai and as a decree nisi. Ama akase yebema no absolute no se yebema no absolute na ye ma na on divorce ye se ekuru no pese okọ challenge aware na then ebi a make notice to go and challenge aware no but maame no so say ompe aware no nti so ompa aware no na bibia ni ho a ewo wo mu ntem a enu nti no entimi ma aware gyae no nkoso a na maame no pese ogya aware na then ebeye din se ye papa ya waba back yi obetimi achichire ye maame no ede ahye aware na ose ogyae no mu because ebia na omuni ejapade bia omo che anase omuni bibia a tie omo down together nti a ene nti no all kase me ko challenge na saa ejapade no yahwe na court achem na obi anya ne chefa ansana yatete aware no mu kura ma na free ho se bibia sa ni ho de a na you know the likelihood ni say it is going to be a clean break divorce obia tam ne baga de ode ba aware no na watam ne de obia de ne japade na obia de ne de ko ne baabi enkwala na ewo mu enkwala no yes ombetimi omo ankasa ameki arrangement aye nhihye a court no ensese court bam ne ankasa okay enkwala no say ne ebehwe omo unya 100 afabra misuminya 50 a me de beba na ye de aka ho na ye de ahwe enkwala no wo motemi nchen but esanse wa bai wo ha na opese omo besra wa weekend ometimi aba fa omo de omo akọ chinchin akọ tena restaurant ene de aka ho nyina eno no akwansidie bia ni ho tini nyina no ometimi aye na se o chichire no se wa back na oba ye so wabetu fiera ho na osi efiera ni ntu na onfa ne niema mra ne de ebe ya ade a ebe ye din se ye nua be mai obetimi achieve because enye ade a obetimi aforso ne yire na oja no ne se chinchinachi onware no enye ade a ebe ye possible manye
yo lawyer Patrick some doors wo but you say here me nya me nua be bi wo ho ahomanes hello pacho free me ntinka afi na ye mre aso no afi na course na ebu yo pacho kasamane why
yo good morning
Michia
maneti Michia one lawyer
pacho peja voice akrama me why
yeah hello better
I think it's okay.
Yes, KK now my question is the lawyer say Ghana say obi to me ko worry 2 years traditional marriage 2 years ago. Now after 2 or 3 years later, we decide they no more ko register or court. Ko register on a certificate no. Trouble so say oh worry 2 or 3 years ago. However, and this date now already start worry no. Now, say no partners too no. Let's say UK. Now, if you worry 2 or 3 years ago, cancer na fee EU no. No per se the year paper. I know say tum the year. However, for prosperity reasons, decided say per se register worry no ha no use UK certificate, marriage certificate, just for prosperity reasons. The question is, would the UK...
Hold on before your question, hold on, because I have just 30 seconds. I radio never call off. Inti mami map iti for mutie or radio nesono. You better must say, Hana emre be my hukwa. Even though I fena yenu be maybe send the question. Say shift to Facebook, any YouTube media. At least we'll continue for the next few minutes. No, but radio neso dear me that munyina se legal hour so ena mutie no. Nyamin shramo. Yo keke mpacho bisa.
Yes, the day I'm doing the same. Say, and someone decided say for prosperity reasons, no one person will register our you see UK marriage certificate. Now, after I'm call you near somebody now. Will they also recognize, say, on a certificate, say, actually, more Expedite 2 years ago, but and then I'm register no. And as I'm call yeah, registration was certificate will be and then I'm worry, which means they cannot use the certificate no more for more immigration way application because if it's a that means say worry answer if you fee you must and I'm worry which would so it means I'm to me apply but I want to know say
where a lawyer be why but me so kitu be a name say day of aware no different from registration no And I wohwemu even apart from legal aspect of it, you know. Eda wo worry, you know, if it comes to even celebrating your marriage. Now you celebrate the day that you got married, not the day that you went for the registration, right? And it says, we concept no ho dia. Me gidi say, bibi wo ho a lawyer so beka e de aka ho ama. Enti lawyer part ni die mu.
And na person who say, will the UK we no also recognize that or what date would they use?
Okay, lawyer part you go have me gidi say, da omo worry ye no that date no na e recognizable.
Which is 3 years ago.
Sir, but lawyer Patrick, ma make you wait to my.
And a UK law, not the Ghanaian one.
No, lawyer Patrick, wait there. Keke ne me kwe chire do pacho.
Right, Uncle Keke, yeah, that's it. Very good question. But bear in mind, sir, we are talking about 2 different jurisdictions. Okay? Inti emrana applicable ewo ye krumu no. Ema ye ho kwan ma say ye ware a yetumi ede aware no ehye fridge mu. Na afi ya nkasa ye pemu no ye yi sa aware no na ye de beye no. Sa amra no eni UK for mram. Okay? Eni UK for mram. Ye mra no ema ye ho kwan say wo ware customarily a there is no requirement say obe register sa aware no. Into no sa wo pa obetimi register sa aware no. And from the working in connection with making an application no, yenim say wo ware mfie bi atwam na won register aware no na ye free EU mu na fe na wakọ register sa aware no e wo Ghana. Emra no ma wo ho kwan se uyusu sa marriage certificate no registration no e de ye application as a family member of an EU national. Enti se ubetimi ayesa then you are doing that based on the applicable law na e wo ye krum no. No na wugina so de aye. UK for and recognize it wo krum ha customary marriage. Nti se oba ha na obeye aware foforo akọji certificate na ode no akoye wa application a bear in mind say aware foforo na obeye no eye wedding na say the krum ke be kan say ordinance marriage no. Sa ordinance marriage no the requirement in say as I said 2 parties no as I say mo wo honom ansa na motimi aye with witnesses are eka ho and the registrar. Nti se wo koye sa ordinance marriage no na then how could you say and then na wakoye sa ordinance marriage no yenjina sa certificate no so na yemfa mawo enye application under the EU settlement scheme because and I don't know why anybody would want to do that anyway in the first place, because Sebi, you have an easier route which gives you the SSA winyano. Then why do you want to go and entangle yourself in something which is difficult? For me, uwo bibia esombo a eye ye krom ejapade and it said what worry na aware no eye customary marriage na since say there's no requirement emrebia and shall be register but ene what decided say will be register aware na the position of appendix EU no HSA so why establishing relationship no dada and sana ye free your deadline date no 31st December 2020 no bana then a relationship no is already established into no so your application na ubetimi aye anytime bia opebia because relationship no why establish that in this instant case no it looks to me say ye nuanom mienu na o mo establish relationship no dada and sana your deadline date no eba I am hoping to say that time na yenua or ye EU ni ye betimi a class no say oyobia or ye relevant EU citizen into why an application under the EU settlement scheme no amebia wonya status and I say ebia or training status into no say sanete dia na ubetimi agina ye Ghana registration certificate no so regardless of the date now or the register ye no Now what they are your application, whether say uwo krom ha and now say ufri Ghana neighbor, it doesn't matter. The important thing is say why establishing relationship no. The date of the marriage no any key. Date of registration is irrelevant because at the time now there was no requirement and there is still no requirement for you to say under customary marriage register. It is entirely your prerogative and your discretion. Say register until you choose to say you don't want to do that. Then Home Office 4 is finding it difficult to understand this, but somebody will drum it into them to understand, and we are doing that, and they are understanding it. Yes, what worry that at all? No one registration and now. Who application, either family permit from outside the UK or Appendix EU, EUSS application. Utimi yet now or the edge was it. The only thing they said, the deadline date na June the 30th abesin a tribunal. However, Home Office said we application late. Now reasonable untia when timia application now then ombejiatum and all of the late applications now they be anywhere or rejected. Omo ankasa no on their own no or set it up various reasons ubetimi atake say way entina my application amantem nti akwanya no wo ho and I feel say keke yenua na obisa question
but the reason why maybe some question is a man who trend be think of 2 or 3 I want to seek me advice to say be a bro full lawyers one Indian full lawyers no be a certificate me kwa almost this certificate they simple they advise them say but people are married why won't you go and do the marriage here again for the UK
said they should advise those lawyers they say law now lawyers because we understand our law properly than them but I hope so when Saka answer papa order for one so where the what the last column pacho o temenka ho
na me ton kan fa me yaba
woni me last column pacho your friend say na o kasa
ya friend me Kingsley me kasa free Birmingham
okay pacho bisa question ya
yo me question me say mo ho ye mu only I lawyer na say the question is lawyer me question me say o ye e krum hani kura passport na pese for worry so worry we are that 2.5 I was say who be mana what do class our we year throughout to meet the threshold of the 18 all the renewals now say oba no bitimi aba be year juma they say they work which me have the threshold no.
Okay, Uncle Kingsley, that's it. Now, say we spousal visa application now aba now ubi do her when ya writer sabre ubetimi dia ye adwuma nti say 2.5 years no ewu na okoye renewal na enye chinchina chi say o sponsor no ono enesese ode na adwuma ekire say o meet 18,006 no ansa na watimi meet requirements no nti se wunya beduha na afi na wanya legal rights no o ye adwuma we income na o ene no o ene sa income no legitimately nti sa income no ye be consider eno so as well nti ebia sebe ebedu sa abre no na o sponsor no anase wukunu anase oyire no na adwuma kofom anase oni adwuma kra na wo adwuma ubetimi ayusu wo adwuma na wo ye no so long as a meet threshold no na o de aka ho e de aye application no senye saasuso na se bia we de kakra munyina mu betimi aka mo resources na bom na sponsor de kakraba na wo applicant no so o de kakraba na se mukani bom na edu 18,006 na mo de aye se bro so a mo de aye nti no yes enye wo sponsor ne keke na emom nipa na ono so enya na setena no 2 years next no obetumi ayusu na juma na oye no se meti 18,6 na ode aye application no e de extend yeah.
Okay, say Odiato. So let Patrick better was minim say applications be 100 na good table so say I twen na no so call but me nua be say my picking age now so ache me man ho pan no bisa the question afa yemfa edwumade no every no for one ma so patro ye fra say na o kasa friend
me patro fa be mama ya na Patrick me child be manye me das pa me patro me question is really quick number 1 2.5 visa which is due to renew in February. My husband flying an application which is train results no say back anytime from now. Now right now but me person who say me qualify for 5 years no and do I have to still be on a 10-year route because I'm quite sure my NHS say I need because I have 2 dependents, which is my husband and my other son. My British child is not included. But because I have 2 dependents, I need more than 18,600 now more required. Actually, how true is that?
Okay. Obaya, Pacho, good morning. Yeah, that's it. Now, Pacho, leave no, far crime now, yeah. O the free Ghana and buy, and I say, oh yeah, no, how did you get it, Pacho?
It's through a British child.
Oh, we are through a British child.
Yes.
Now, Pacho, or husband, so assistant ben or one Pacho.
And also a baby on the British child as a stepchild.
Right. Okay. International say, or husband cry no, or check a cry if you when you offer as a British citizen. And I guess
Pacho, I baby.
Okay. Great. Enti minuaba enye no krese esese wo meti 18,006 bibia ni hosa wo 10-year route no so enti ne wo 10-year route no de wo meti nyina ne se ampase obey wo na wo hwe no ye ka se oni natifie enti no bibia ni wa ekire se enye wo na wo hwe no odi ne ko school odi ne ko gp fo betimi ama letter e de aka ho e de adanse se ampase wo na wo hwe no nti saa niema no na wo hia de aka eka ho no eye aduane tito ne saa niema no se o switch from a 10-year route no e de akọ 5 as a parent now again you don't even have to meet 18,006 let alone work out your dependents and add it onto that no enya de esese o meet sa for requirement for switching to the 5-year route no and it said again, akolai wona wo hwe no wo immigration status before answer na yema 2.5 years now we immigration status until now we meet immigration status requirement no ene wabenya sa status until we meet sa requirement no until what that afi wo wadwuma kakra wo ye until betimi meet maintenance requirement wo baby a woni mofra mote until meet accommodation which is fine until be meet sa requirements na now fe why English language test e de aka ho okay send your brofo kan eno an say wa kwakoye level B1 no ebetimi ama in the future with subsequent applications are obetimi de aye nti why B1 de aka ho na o de asweche but unhia 18,006 plus 3,800 in 2004 topping up on the basis of nkwala awo ansana wetimi ayesade no say 10-year route na also then you don't need that bear in mind say 10-year route no so now we are entitled to benefit na opese wo switch here you may lose some benefit no because wo switch here the wo catch aban say wa mu no o sisia no o de wo ho a ugina brane obetimi ahwe wo ho so nti wo mbe ye burden emeto state no so then you have to really ponder over this and make sure say the the right thing. Say enye saa so na 10 years no so na wo again say wasetenemu enye okay na adwuma no form na expenses near the ade no soro yes ekwenja wo se obetimi aye fee waiver application for wo eni ebia nkwala bi eka ho a omo ye nyina mo nyina mo betimi aye na mo de aye sa application no. Now note say because say ura afei na why an application na decision no pende na ne application no eye wo so ene mo child no so na nam na onya ni ntino de wo no enu bi ne ebe ma no. So the likelihood ne say by February na wo wasitena ne bewu no see you decide an application na ebe ba ne no na ono so ne de no ebewu sa February na say osa renew biom ntino just check it. Say lawyer na yema wa na decision ne ma ya obetimi achesi home office app na omahwe na omo decision na ba na wahu say de be ya obeye nya sa de a well say decision ne ba later on na still na no obetimi renew na wakwa join odie no na maye but you don't need to meet 18,006 ne the omoke kanu pacho.
Yeah, lawyer better was them say ono krani line not take for. Lawyer Patrick. Nyame share biom and you see anyoma bebre ai bi dey so anamo a bi dia boa yen studio no ko mo pa me. Yo etino lawyer Patrick ankran besra eni die mo na dia na odi jaye na ansa na ya sori ye na so akọ.
Yo manye, I think you are spending a lot of time into no you better tifo ase. Nyame share omo say omo nya adaje na omo betie yen. Echina so community and the law is on into no omo nhane so. Se se ade ya try ya hye nti se de monim no enye Facebook no keke ena enye online no keke but se se ya wo BW radio nti no mo make sure se mo be tune in enche mo bete ha live papa ne programs ahodo se ya me am be recruitment na ye nti no DJs now presenters now mo krom no mo sha se na mo fa service no mra na ye shase na ye recruit nkofo na ye hu de ye koso ntim yes mo betimi atie no so beba app so ne bibia nti mo betimi atie wo ba bia onam bia Radio Garden any platforms na kan nyina betimi atie wo so it's a good thing na ye nyina ye moa na entimi enkonkan nti ye koi na de ye kan se ahwe ye hu hia manye ya te se omicron a virus ni nua pani a ono de afi na waba o se virus de ba first no de ono ne soma no afi na ono ankasa waba nti yesremo ahweye ehu hia yese ukoba afuma hohoronsa 20 seconds or so o de semra nsuhye wa hohoronsa kama wape hand sanitizer enam dodo we sebe ensenkwan nti no se wo hohoronsa wi a obesan de hand sanitizer no asa aka ho na wakunu preko nti mo ano kra wo ho a ono no ontena ho because ya hohoro ene esade hand sanitizer asa ahye nanim nti no afiri ho na okọ ne baabi okotena se na oni nkofo odi nkomote nkofo ntema na wa hye wo nose mask you never know who has got it ebia na wan kasampo na wo nti you protect the others and you protect yourself shano so se wo tukwa akọ Ghana take the lead opese odisi yare na no ho kwan osi yare na no ho kwan at the border intino ya ma ho kwan e ma wo fa yare no enkowura krom ho hye no so it doesn't matter who you are this is the policy se wo ko du ho na wo job no e ma ye hu se wawo mienu no nyina wo ye vaccinated ya ma wo kwan e ma wo nwura krom ho until se wawo panne no wo airport ho nti hye no so se wo ko na okoye sebe akasisem bia wo ho a ene obesansa ochi aba me di bro ya no wa ye nyina ye be di bro ya no wa nti mo hye no nso nti manye na kakra edi beja etiefo no na ekroma susu no ye nyina enim se ne maka no aban ye nhihye se ode bebo ye nyina ye ho ban nti nose mask ne enema nyina free na eko nyina no aban se ye observe sa enema nyina na oguso ye ntote ye se obema ya kotena fie na bronya no yedi na sundue mu abra obi amfa yare bia nkosan obi a na ye nhye no nso ti yes ye beda asemanye se oni etena se edi dwuman ye da obi bia ase ye da Professor Adayase so chinchim fidie no ma ye da oreku owusu frempon ase se remotely or ye bibia possible se bibia be konkan and afi executive director Dr. Bernard Owusu, and also Edanase, and the management team, BWF Solicitors, front desk for any all the team now, Bremo, Omoye Jumadin, said a bear, Nipa Humbehin, Womono, Ichiamunina, Eda Umunina Mase, a bumpire said, Yameba Momo, Aho, Dene, Sronko, now Matimi, Akoso, Aye Jumadin, said the Omoye na Ede and Niji so. Abre eye ankrankra ebusia nyina manye. Thank you.
Yo, Lea Patrick means medawase nyamenka ye ho. Otena BWF Solicitors, the community and the law na ebaso mesabo monka ye bi. Nyamenka ye ho na otwi ye besan ehie bi. Me mamo nyina bye bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernard Owusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our child care and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP, just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.